Good day, we're Malang Lab and we're building the global platform for gamified cognitive skills. Our team from Chungang Business School has identified a critical unserved global need. Today, we'll show you how we've analyzed this problem and built a scalable, data-driven solution. Our analysis begins with a clear global diagnosis. The aptitude study stack is broken. The $126 billion plus global test prep market is dormant. It is still selling 20th century content, which are books and videos, to a 21st century mobile native user. This as-is stack has three core failures. First, it's not personalized. Workbooks are a blunt instrument, forcing users to drill strengths and weaknesses equally. Second, users have no time to sit down. Legacy prep demands 2-hour study blocks, but the user's reality is using the 15-minute gaps on a commute. And third, there's no engagement. Solo practice is boring, so drop-off is high. The data proves this failure. 42.9% of users ran out of time under test, proving that they need tools to build speed, not just more content. This broken stack directly impacts our target user. To build a global product, we start with a focused beachhead. So meet Hannah. She's our initial persona, 25 years old, a recent university grad in Seoul. Her pain points are universal. There's too much to study and not enough time. Studying on the subway, public transportation with books is really inconvenient. And she has math anxiety, which makes the whole process intimidating. Hannah is not just an archetype, she's a global archetype. Our beachhead market strategy is to start with the Korean GSAT taker. This is the perfect high signal environment to de-risk our model before we scale to global assessments like the McKinsey PST. So why this strategic beachhead? Because the market opportunity has great market tailwinds. First, consumer e-learning is accelerating. Korea's individual e-learning spend hit 3.16 trillion won in 2024, making it 53% of the total market. Second, job seekers are spending more. 43% of candidates spent more on prep this year, a direct response to a tighter hiring market. And third, spend is skill first. Users are paying for capability, like language and certifications. This data confirms that our beachhead market is active, well-funded, and already aligned with our premium skill-based solution. This is an underserved market that validates our domestic and global potential. Let's quantify this initial opportunity. The TAM for all of Korean e-learning is 6 trillion won. Our SAM, the online job seekers we're targeting, is a 460 billion won market with 450,000 potential users. Our SOM, the initial focused GSAT entry segment, is a 10 billion won market with 100,000 potential users. Our obtainable goal for the first 2 years is to capture 1 billion won. This is our focused, capital-efficient wedge to validate the model and fund our global expansion. Our response is the solution, the cognitive gym. We're fundamentally transforming test prep from static, boring workbooks to 15-minute daily quests that our users genuinely want to clear. Our value proposition rests on 3 pillars. First, precise diagnostic for your weak links. We pinpoint why you are slow and give you drills to fix that specific weakness. Second, addictive learning loops. We use proven psych and gamification to drive the daily habits needed for skill mastery. And third, micro drills, micro gains. We deconstruct complex problems into mobile-first 10 to 15-minute quests that fit into your idle time. Here is the application overview and our core flow. We kept the UX intentionally simple and low friction. The user moves from home to selection to the game. The user is inside a real problem, adding value within seconds. This simple modular design is the key to how it works. It lets us add new content packs like a global consulting test without re-architecting the app. The engine is global, the content is modular. This slide shows our prototype plus MVP core feature walkthrough. As you can see, the core loop is active and functional. This demonstrates our ability to execute from wireframe to a live user-centric product. The feedback from this MVP is what validates our core hypotheses on engagement and diagnostics. This is the user trying to solve the problem and trying to select the level of what they're going into. They're trying to select the game mode, and this is the user trying to solve the problems. As you can see, there's consistent positive reinforcement on and negative reinforcement related to the problem solving. And to skip, there is an analysis dashboard on how you have solved the problems and how you have done well and where you need to improve. This is our store where you can buy products for the in-game character Malang. And if you purchase the stuff in the store, you can use it on the Malang character. And the Malang character improves their status by using these items. This brings us to our secret sauce, our defensible moat, a dual loop learning engine. This is our core IP. We combine the science for learning, or cognitive psychology, with the science for retention, or motivational psychology. The first loop, cognitive psychology, provides the learning boost. It uses neural principles to build real aptitude skills, delivering actual performance gains. The second loop, motivational psychology, provides gamification for maximal stickiness. This is the motivational loop that keeps users locked in the learning flywheel. One loop builds real skill. The other builds the habit that makes the skill stick. This duality is our defense. Now let's analyze the competitive landscape. We map competitors against 3 classification standards. First, do they offer aptitude assessment prep? Second, do they offer skill prep? And third, are they a mobile-first environment? The market is split. You have skill apps like Neuronation that are mobile-first and have skill prep but no aptitude content. Then you have legacy prep like Jobda that has the aptitude content but isn't mobile-first and lacks a skill engine. Malang is the only player that integrates all 3. To visualize this, we are the only player on the mobile and professional assessment quadrant. Our closest comparables are generic. They don't build the exact skills that are needed for high-stake tests like the GSAT. The entire top right quadrant, adaptive, mobile-first, and targeted professional assessment, is a greenfield opportunity, and that is our lane. As you can see, our BM is very straightforward. We have 3 main pipelines. We have the users, we have the ad monetization platforms, and we have the partners that help us monetize our app. And phase 1 is V2C Premium, where we can prove. Free tier drives acquisition, and a premium tier for unlimited access and advanced AI diagnostics drives the revenue. This proves product market fit. Phase 2 is B2B2C partnerships or expand. We will sell institutional licenses to partners like university career centers. This is a high LTV, low CAC channel for scaling revenue. Our go-to-market is a highly efficient, replicable GTM strategy. We call it the Korean playbook. It's a 3-stage sequence. First, launch is community first. We'll run challenges in high-density user communities like Everytime and Dokchisa. Second, growth is performance marketing led. We'll use targeted search and Instagram ads and invite a friend campaigns. Third, scale is content led. We will activate micro-influencers to share their prep content. This is the efficient playbook we will perfect in our beachhead and then export globally. Finally, our roadmap and future vision. Our sequence is ship now, scale next, prove, expand platform. Phase 1, prove. We are now proving the GSAT MVP. We will measure time on task, completion, and repeat session and lock our beta. Phase 2, expand. We will add all major Korean formats like NCS, HMAT, SKCT, and launch B2B partnerships. Phase 3, globalize. With a validated engine, we'll launch consulting, McKinsey PST, Bain Online Test modules, and expand into North America and Southeast Asia. Finally, our team. Where's Hongjun Lee, Yanggu Lee, and Xiong Lee, co-founders and seniors from Chungang University's Business School. We have critical founder market fit. We come from the very firms we target, Hyundai Motor Company, Mercer, and NAMO partners at CG. We have the global insight to win our beachhead now, and the global vision to win next. To conclude, the aptitude prep market is broken. Our Malang solution is built on a defensible, dual-loop engine that combines real cognitive science with addictive gamification. Our strategy is focused and scalable. Prove, expand, and globalize. We will use this to build a new scalable platform for cognitive mastery. We are Malang Lab. Thank you for listening.